Welcome everybody. It's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to make a like on the video. Subscribe for brand new. We're literally very close to be getting 1,000 subscribers. So please, if you're not already, drop a subscribe on the channel. Make sure you spread it to the world so you can see, so you can subscribe as well. Today we move away from Manchester United, from the Premier League six-pack over to the World Cup. So what we'll be doing today is we'll be talking about my favorites to win the World Cup. My only favorite to win the World Cup. And then in the next episode, we'll talk about second favorite, and then third, and probably fourth. But today, we'll be talking about these man right here. These man right here. Argentina, fam. Argentina. Argentina. I want to take a look at the squad. Starting from the goalkeepers, Emiliano, Martinez, Firmino, Rulli, and Franco Armani. Now, we already know that Martinez will be the top goalkeeper for Argentina. He's very, very good. And ever since he took over ever since he broke out in Arsenal team, had a very wonderful season after a breakout season, and then left Arsenal and go to Aston Villa. He's been brilliant for Lionel Messi and for Argentina, to be fair. And I'm not going to lie, he's going to have a heck of a tournament this year. Look at the defenders. You have Molina, Montiel, Romero, Pezzella, Otamendi, Martinez, Acuna, Tagliafico, and fourth still play football, Barry. Fourth. After the man them running out of Tottenham. Nah, he's playing good down in I think I've realized this up. Bless yourself 1-4. You make it to the World Cup. Manaz. We have Rodrigo de Paul in the midfield. Leandro Paredes, Alexis McAllister. You have Rodriguez. You have Gomez. You have Enzo Fernandez, the man that I'll be watching this tournament from. Because listen people. Man United need a second defender, midfielder, and I think Enzo Fernandez. Oh, we got in for him. And then you have Iker Palacios. And in attack, you have Angel Di Maria, fucking snake. You have Lautaro Martinez, Julian Alvarez, Nicolas Gonzalez, Hakim Correa, Paulo Dybala, and Lionel Messi. Now, we just heard today that Joaquin Correa will not be making the World Cup. I think he's injured, so I'm thinking we'll be calling someone in to replace him. I'm hoping that's my boy from Argentina, my young king from Argentina, Garnacho. So we'll see. But definitely, this is going to be a Lionel Messi tournament, fam. This will be a Lionel Messi tournament. Remember how the team just gathered around him in the Copa America just to make sure that he picked up a championship with Argentina. But this is going to be a hell of a championship. And he's playing well. He's been playing well, scoring goals, crazy assists throughout the season. So I'm hoping that we can see the Lionel Messi that we want to see in Argentina. The Lionel Messi from Barcelona. I know the current Lionel Messi in PSG. Setting goals up, creating goals, that kind of stuff. It's going to be one hell of a tournament, man. One hell of a tournament. But as I said, we're going into the World Cup. This has been my selection for winners of the World Cup this year. Next tournament, next time you hear from me, we're talking about the second runners-up. I'll tell you who those runners-up are. But for now, Lionel Messi, Argentina. Don't make me bet money and lose. Don't make me bet money and lose, fam. Bless yourself. Remember to drop a like on the video and subscribe for brand new World Cup content coming from Manaz.